We got here to Lucky Chinatown Mall. We're gonna get some suman. My mom wants me to bring some suman home and maybe lunch, maybe a foot massage. We'll see what we get into.
I like the photos.
You look nice.
Yeah.
Filming with my phone because Kuya at the front door told me we can't record in here, so I put my camera away. Hey look, toys! Want some toys?
Ninja Turtles.
We're gonna go watch Ninja Turtles. It's your favorite color. What is this place? Huh? Big old Buddhas. This place is pretty big.
Here are the massage places. Massage places.
There's one right behind us, Numi Wellness.
Oh yeah. Like someone that rejected us.
What does it say?
Meet Mademoiselle Foot Spa.
Foot spa?
Yeah. But that's package.
What about right here?
Head, shoulder. Do you want to eat or?
Yeah, let's do that. So we signed up for 2 p.m. foot massages. But right now we're gonna get some food. Because we are hungry, right?
Yeah.
I think the food's up here.
We haven't had massage.
Oh yeah. Time zone. This looks cool. This thing looks crazy. A photo booth. What the heck? Karaoke booths? That's funny. Okay, let's see what Kuya J has.
Single? Kaya ilang peraso yung single?
6 pieces lang siya, ma'am. Small bites.
Okay. Sige, single.
The squid sisig also?
Squid sisig.
Yeah.
Serve later, leche flan, mango, pandan, and ube halo-halo.
Our food arrived. What do we have here? Lumpias with sisig. You can see it's still, this thing is hot. It's still sizzling. Gotta be careful with that. What's it called? Lumpia fresco? Lumpia umbod. Okay. That's Kim's, and of course my favorite garlic rice. We are gonna dig in. Oh, also we got a pitcher of iced tea.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares.
I got a massage here last year. And then now they got massage chairs right outside. But today we're gonna try a new massage place. Waiting for Kim to get out of the restroom. Ready? Ready? Alright, let's go. What time is it? 1 minute you said?
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes. Yeah, it's 1:50. Flip that. Hi. Relaxing. On our other full body massages, the foot part only lasted a few seconds. So, hour-long foot massage we're gonna have right now. I guess I fell asleep. I don't know. Was I snoring loud? Kim says I was snoring loud. Oh well. Thank you. Just got tickets for Ninja Turtles, but we're like an hour and a half early. Oh well, we gotta wait somewhere, I guess. Does look nice. Oh, the seats are taken. We're in the theater now. We got some free popcorn, free water bottles. Hopefully this movie is cool. I like Ninja Turtles, so we'll see how it goes. Just got out of the movie. It was pretty cool, actually. You liked it?
Yeah, I like it. I liked all the songs that played.
Which song?
The last song, Can I Kick It?
Can I kick it? Can
Yes,
you kick
you
it?
can.
Oh, back to Tondo.
We're gonna pack his bag because he's going home tomorrow.
On a long, boring flight. Not looking forward to it. Alright, well, we're gonna read the Chinese birthday astrology things. All these. Mine is a horse. The horse is right here, right? Oh no, that's an ox. Oh, I'm on the end. You're a rooster?
Mine may not be stable this year.
Say it.
Money may not not be stable this year. Avoid high-risk transactions or investments. Although you may not have the best opportunities, you can still expand your existing business. But be careful and play safe. Be more calculating and avoid unnecessary expenses. Career. Try not to be tangled in the problems of others since it may damage your reputation. Try to solve the problem quickly, communicate with your organization, and build the best solution together. Avoid carrying the responsibilities alone. Health. Be wary of accidents related to mental injury. Be careful of sickness related to head, lungs, skin, and brain. Avoid risky sports to avoid major injuries. Travel well is okay, but always take extra care. Okay, so this is what I like. Love. The man-child star can cause uncontrollable temper outbursts that can provoke unhealthy conflicts and arguments. Keep away from major quarrels and arguments, especially from the female monkey. We didn't even argue. Education. I'm done school. So let's find yours.
The horse.
Hey, it's the rooster.
Oh. 1990.
Your money luck is good, but be careful about who you trust. You will attract good business opportunities and investment, will be wary of people with negative intentions. Career. You may expect good career opportunities. Just always remember to do your job passionately. An unstable heart may cause unstable results. Health. Always be aware of your health, especially those who have existing sickness. Avoid situations that can cause physical injury, especially for those who drive or those who drive. That's you. Or always go out. Love. The sky happiness star will bring strong love energy. Singles may find good opportunities for romance, and couples who want to gain fertility love will conceive or receive blessings. Good forecast for horsey.
And that is what they look like. Other people like them a lot too. Alright, let's find the exits. We're in one of the fancier tricycles outside of Lucky Chinatown.